In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived emails in Gmail on your PC. Whether you're new to Gmail or just haven't needed to retrieve an archived message until now, this guide will walk you through the process to make it as seamless as possible. Imagine you're looking for an email that you know you've archived some time ago, but you're just not quite sure how to get to it. The good news is, finding archived emails in Gmail is straightforward once you know how. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. You can do this by typing mail.google.com into the address bar or searching Gmail in your preferred search engine. Once Gmail loads up, you'll need to sign in with your Google account credentials if you aren't already logged in. Enter your email address and password, making sure they are correct, and then click Sign In. Now that you're in your Gmail inbox, you might notice that there isn't a specific archived label on the left-hand menu. This is because Gmail decides to keep things clean by not separating archived messages into a distinct folder. Instead, they remain in a folder called All Mail. So, our next step is to find this All Mail section. If you hover over the left sidebar, you'll see a list of folders or labels such as Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Click the More option to expand the list. Now scroll through this extended menu until you find the All Mail label and click it. Once you're in All Mail, you're viewing a collective list of all your emails, both archived and unarchived. The trick to pinpointing an archived email usually involves looking through this list for the one you need. If you remember the sender or a keyword from the email's content, head to the search bar at the top and enter that. If you're unsure, you can even search by approximate date or subject to narrow things down. When you've entered the search term, press Enter. Gmail will scan through all your emails, including those archived, and present you with the results. After you find the email you were looking for, you can open it just like you would any other email. If you decide that you want to unarchive this email and return it to your inbox, simply click the Move to Inbox option at the top of the email. This should place the email back into your primary inbox, making it easier to access in the future. Remember, the All Mail section is an excellent feature of Gmail if you're in need of organizing emails without actually deleting or losing track of any important information. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.